So I ride with this thing and just look alive. I came from the bottom where the heat stay on. When I rent late notice, it stayed on the door. Used to hear you crying when you thought I was asleep. That's the reason I can't ever let my family be weak. I was young, hard-headed, full of anger inside. Seen the real world early, had me losing my mind. Everybody got advice when you finally make it, but where was y'all at when my heart was breaking? I done lost people I thought was forever. Now I keep my distance, it just made life better. Couple brothers switched up over money and fame. That pain hit different when you love them the same. Sometimes I ride around with no destination, million thoughts racing, fighting temptations. Got a house full of stuff, but it still feel empty. Long nights in the studio just trying to vent me. And I know you worry when I don't pick up, but I've been in my thoughts and the drink pulled up. Everybody see change, they don't see anxiety. I smile for the cameras, but inside it's killing me. I got trauma